Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Bestarc Plasma Cutter, a remarkable tool for anyone interested in metal cutting. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Bestarc Plasma Cutter? This is a 55 dual voltage plasma cutting machine that operates on both 110V and 220V, making it versatile enough for home use, workshops, or even hardware shops. It utilizes advanced inverter IGBT technology, which delivers professional performance and exceptional cutting capabilities. With the ability to make clean cuts on materials such as iron, steel, aluminum, and copper, this plasma cutter is well suited for both DIY projects and heavier duty tasks. Let's talk about some of the standout features of the Bestarc Plasma Cutter. One of the most impressive aspects is its powerful cutting ability. It can achieve a clean cut thickness of up to half an inch at 35 amps using 110V, and an impressive 3/4 inch at 55 amps on 220V. This makes it a go-to option for those who need to work with various metal thicknesses, whether you're crafting a simple project or tackling something more complex. Another key feature is the pilot arc function. This high-frequency, non-touch arc starting mode allows you to initiate cutting without making contact with the metal surface. This is especially useful when working with rusted, painted, or dirty metals, ensuring a consistent cut every time. Plus, the adjustable pilot arc function helps to extend the life of the consumables, which is a significant advantage in keeping your machine running efficiently. The Bestarc Plasma Cutter also features a user-friendly LED display that centrally shows vital parameters like air pressure, voltage, and current. This real-time feedback allows you to monitor the machine's status and make adjustments on the fly, enhancing your operational efficiency. If there's a malfunction, the display provides error codes, making troubleshooting straightforward. For those who are concerned about air pressure, the cutter comes equipped with an air regulator, allowing you to manually adjust the pressure as needed. With a recommended air pressure of 60 psi and a flow rate of 250 liters per minute, this feature ensures that you have the right conditions for optimal cutting. Keep in mind that you will need to purchase an air compressor separately to get started. The Bestarc Plasma Cutter is designed for a variety of users, from hobbyists to professional metalworkers. It's perfect for anyone looking to engage in metal fabrication, automotive repair, or even artistic metalworking. If you enjoy DIY projects or need a reliable tool for your workshop, this plasma cutter can be a valuable addition to your toolkit. Practical use cases for this plasma cutter are abundant. You might use it to create custom metal brackets for home improvement projects, cut intricate designs for metal art, or even perform repairs on metal components in vehicles. Its dual voltage capability makes it adaptable to different power sources, so you can use it almost anywhere. In conclusion, the Bestarc Plasma Cutter is an exceptional tool that combines power, versatility, and user-friendly features. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner looking to expand your capabilities, this plasma cutter offers everything you need to tackle a wide range of metal cutting tasks effectively. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.